Good afternoon folks. Friday na naman, July 11. Ang bilis ng week. Kaya lang Monday, ngayon Friday na. Pero nag-cancel po kami ng trip dahil nag-cancel po yung isang leader namin. So I think yung trip namin will be this coming Monday, Tuesday, I hope. Pero okay lang po sa amin yun. Kasi wala pong araw na naaksaya sa amin dahil ito yung mga pagkakataon na kaming dalawa ni Edna ay nagpo-personal production. Lumalabas kami, nagre-reach out kami sa mga prospect namin kasi ginagawa namin yung prospect list namin, and then pino-profile namin sila. So in the words of Coach Bong, you need to be good with your prospecting kasi ito po buhay natin Yung prospect list nyo should grow every day religiously. Kung meron kang naisip na tao habang nasa bahay or habang nagdadrive ka or habang nagkwekwentuhan kami ni Edna, lagi ko sinasabi, isulat mo sa prospect list mo yung taong naalala mo, and then i-classify natin later on whether user siya or builder or both, no? So based on our prospect list, meron kami activity. Hindi kami naubusan na activity dahil meron kaming prospect lists na lumalago everyday, and yun po magiging activity nyo kung sakasakaling nag-cancel yung leader nyo tulad yung nangyari today. So lalabas kami, magre-reach out kami sa 3 or 4 from our prospect list. Medyo na profile na namin to. Isa would be a user, and nangako pa siya, magbibigay pa siya ng mga bagong referral. So that means lalago ulit yung prospect list. 3 would be builder. So we'll take it from there. Bibigyan lang namin sila ng overview of our product, of our business opportunity, and then pipilitin natin i-plug in natin sila sa ating regular Zoom meetings with NanoCell, and later on with our own schedule sa Team Supreme. Okay? So yun po ang strategy. Okay? Now, yung po pwede nyo gawin. Follow us, what we do. If you're not busy with your group, you go back to your prospect list. Doon kayo mag-activity, personal production nyo yun. Kasi pag naging busy uli kayo sa mga grupo nyo, then yung sarili nyong personal production will be set aside for a while. So keep a balance. So basically 20% will be allocated for reselling, and 80% majority of your time will be spent on building your leaders or groups. So one more thing, I hope na panood nyo yung talk ni Dr. Ariel Bayra kagabi. Ang galing, no? He had 54 or 55 participants nakikinig. Hinighlight niya lahat yung 9 hallmarks of aging. Hinighlight niya lahat yung mga ingredients of one of our flagship product, Ultimo Stem Plus. And I'll discuss this more about what he did, what he spoke last night, kung ano yung mga diniscuss niya on a separate segment. Okay, antabayan nyo. But I hope guys, pagka may mga ganong klaseng talk by a doctor, I would suggest please try your best to attend, kasi marami kayo matututunan and marami kayo malalaman sa kanya on how to take care of your health. And product knowledge din po ito. Okay, so until the next time folks, more updates later. Bye. Ingat kayo.